Question 1. Which organelle is known as the suicide bag of the cell? The right answer is option B. Lysosome. Question 2. Which type of RNA carry amino acid to ribosome during protein synthesis? The right answer is option C. tRNA. Question 3. Which hormone regulates the opening and closing of stomata in plant? The right answer is option B. Abscisic acid. Question 4. In which phase of meiosis does crossing over occur? The right answer is option A. Prophase 1. Question 5. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? The right answer is option A. Vitamin A. Question 6. Which tissue in plant is responsible for transport of food? The right answer is option B. Phloem. Question 7. Which organ in human is responsible for detoxification of harmful substance? The right answer is option C. Liver. Question 8. What is the functional unit of the kidney? The right answer is option A. Nephron. Question 9. The smallest functional unit of the nervous system is? The right answer is option B. Neuron. Question 10. Which blood group is called a universal donor? Option A. A positive, B. AB positive, C. O negative, D. AB negative. But the right answer is option C. O negative. Question 11. DNA replication is called semi-conservative because? The right answer is option A. One strand is new and one is old. Question 12. Which organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Option A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Golgi apparatus, D. Chloroplast. The right answer is option B. Mitochondria. Question 13. Insulin is secreted by option A. Adrenal gland, B. Pancreas, C. Pituitary gland, D. Thyroid gland. But the right answer is option B. Pancreas. Question 14. What is the site of photosynthesis in plant cell? Option A. Mitochondria, B. Ribosome, C. Chloroplast, D. Vacuole. But the right answer is option C. Chloroplast. Question 15. Which part of the human brain control balance and posture? Option A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Thalamus. But the right answer is option B. Cerebellum. Question 16. Which of the following is not an excretory organ in human? Option A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Lung, D. Spleen. But the right answer is option D. Spleen. Question 17. Which element is essential for hemoglobin formation? Option A. Calcium, B. Iron, C. Magnesium, D. Sodium. But the right answer is option B. Iron. Question 18. The largest gland in the human body is? Option A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Thyroid, D. Kidney. But the right answer is option B. Liver. Question 19. The process of synthesis of glucose from CO2 and water in the presence of sunlight is? Option A. Respiration, B. Transpiration, C. Photosynthesis. But the right answer is option C. Question 20. What is the normal pH of human blood? Option A. 6.0 8, 7.4, 7.8, 8.2. But the right answer is option C, 7.4. Question 21. Which vitamin is also known as calciferol? Option A, vitamin A, B, vitamin D, C, vitamin K, D, vitamin E. But the right answer is option B, vitamin D. Question 22. The contractile unit of muscle is called. Option A, sarcolemma, B, sarcomere, C, myofibril, D, actin. But the right answer is option B, sarcomere. Question 23. Which gas is produced during anaerobic respiration in yeast? Option A, CO2, B, O2, C, N2, D, CH4. But the right answer is option A, CO2. Question 24. The enzyme pepsin acts in which organ of the digestive system? Right answer is option B, stomach. Question 25. Which organ in human is responsible for filtering nitrogenous waste from blood? Right answer is option B, kidney. Question 26. Which part of the human eye control the amount of light entering? Option A, retina, B, lens, C, iris, D, cornea. But the right answer is option C, iris. Question 27. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A, CO2, B, methane, C, oxygen, D, nitrogenous waste. But the right answer is option C, oxygen. Question 28. And genetic Mendel is known as the father of. The right answer is option B, genetics. Question 29. Which blood cell are called soldier of the body? Option A, RBC, B, WBC, C, platelets, D, plasma. The right answer is option B, WBC. Question 30. Which plant tissue is responsible for secondary growth? Option A, xylem, B, phloem, C, cambium, D, collenchyma. But the right answer is option C, cambium. Question 31. Which kingdom include unicellular prokaryotes? The right answer is option C, Monera. Question 32. In human, fertilization occurs in. The right answer is option C, Fallopian tube. Question 33. The structural and functional unit of life is. The right answer is option C, cell. Question 34. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C? The right answer is option B, scurvy. Question 35. The human heart is made up of how many chambers? The right answer is option C, 4. Question 36. Which part of the nephron reabsorb water and salt? The right answer is option B, loop of Henle. Question 37. Which pigment give red color to RBC? The right answer is option B, hemoglobin. Question 38. Which scientist discovered penicillin? The right answer is option B, Alexander Fleming. Question 39. Which process maintain constant body temperature in human? The right answer is option B, homeostasis. Question 40. Which gland is called the master gland? The right answer is option B. Pituitary gland. Question 41. Which of the following is not a component of DNA? The right answer is option D. Uracil. Question 42. Which organelle is absent in prokaryotic cell? The right answer is option B. Nucleus. Question 43. What is the scientific name of human being? The right answer is option B. Homo sapiens. Question 44. Which blood cell help in blood clotting? The right answer is option B. Platelets. Question 45. Which vitamin help in blood clotting? Right answer is option B. Vitamin K. Question 46. Which plant hormone is responsible for food rationing? Right answer is option C. Ethylene. Question 47. What is the main nitrogenous waste in human? The right answer is option B. Urea. Question 48. Which part of the brain control heartbeat and respiration? The right answer is option C. Medulla oblongata. Question 49. Which blood group is called universal recipient? The right answer is option D. AB positive. Question 50. Who proposed the theory of natural selection? The right answer is option B. Charles Darwin.